Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, the Veronicas. And this is Jessie Veronica seeing stars. So she's seeing stars here. We have a very easy song to play here, and 4 chords with 1 strumming pattern. That is easy. So let's start this one up with the capo here on the 3rd fret. And with that, we're gonna look at G first. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. E minor, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so G is the 1st chord, and 1 strumming round will be down, up, okay? You want to emphasize the 2nd and last down, so down, up. This is the rhythm. Down, up, 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 down, up. And you do that in the way that you're gonna play more of a full downstroke on that down. The other downs and ups, you just play small downs and ups. You just kind of chew on the strings a little bit. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you also get more of the top strings when you play the 2nd and last down, when you play that full. The other ones, you're just gonna play more on the bass string. So down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah, so just some technique stuff there to separate and get more color to your strumming here, you can say. So that's it. The chord progression here for the verse will be 2 strumming rounds for G, 2 for A minor, and 4 for E minor. So G2, A minor 2, E minor 4, like this. G2, A minor 2, E minor 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, like this. All right. So that is the chord progression and strumming for the verse. And then for the pre-chorus and the chorus, you're gonna play in the same way. You're gonna play C, 4 strumming rounds, A minor 4 strumming rounds, and E minor 8 rounds. So C4, A minor 4, E minor 8 goes like this. 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, and E minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the Veronicas, Jessie's Seeing Stars. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope that helped, and play tuned.